Hi everybody, welcome to week 3 of class. Couple things about week 2. I noticed many of you didn't get the lab done, so make sure that you are keeping up with the classwork, contacting me if you have any questions or concerns. Again, class ends Sunday night of each week. You have a whole week to do the work, so waiting to the last minute and encountering an issue is going to be a problem. So please don't wait till the last minute, because things sometimes do happen. On your end, on the other end of things. I do accept late labs with a 2-point per day penalty. So after a week, they're worth 1 point after 7 days. So keep an eye on that. And then movies are accepted late, the movie summaries, with a 1 point per day penalty. So if you're not able to do it till Friday, it is not worth any credit. Let's see what we've got going on this week. When you click on modules, and we can close up shop on week 2 and see what we've got going on here in week, that's supposed to say week 3. Sorry, I'll fix that. All right, here's what we've got going on. I'll fix that number there though. This is week 3. You can start here to read about it, but we're going to be covering chapter 3, short video, the Smart Book direct link for you to complete your Learn Smart assignment for chapter 3. For those that like PowerPoint for the chapters, that's there. Your movie this week is called The Poisoner's Handbook. I think you actually might really enjoy this one. And then the Dropbox for the movie. Remember, as it says here in the Dropbox instructions, it also said this on the syllabus, and I've said it a few times as well, every summary has to be in your own words, at least 1 full page of typed text, double-spaced, 12-point Times New Roman font. That does not include any headings, titles. That's just the body of the essay alone. You don't even have to put a title or a header. If you do, in terms of me looking at the length of it, I'm going to take that off. So make sure that you're writing at least 1 full page body of the essay. Not only summarize the movie, but how it applies to our class. Why do you think I selected that movie? I really try to ask that you do half and half, maybe two paragraphs or half the page about the movie and then half the page about how it relates to our class or why I picked it. And when you're ready, you click Submit Assignment. And what do we have for lab this week? Lab techniques. Now, I'm going to warn everyone, this one's a doozy. The others were pretty short and sweet, didn't take too long. This one's going to take you a while. So work on it a little bit each day, or do not wait till the last minute. It's going to take you several hours to complete this one, and there's lots of things you have to do for the 4th lab. And then when you're ready, you click Lab Techniques and Measurements. Some of you were struggling with, and I made a comment, you were struggling with doing multiple submissions. So you have to submit 2 files, as it says here. When you're ready, you click Submit File, Browse, and I'm just going to pick any file here. And then you click Add Another File, and browse and pick a second, file to upload. So I should be getting 1 submission. The labs no longer will allow you multiple submissions. 1 submission, and you need to have everything correct when you do it. So adding multiple files, and again, there should only be 2. I'm only going to look at 2 of them. Make sure that your picture has everything in it within that 1 picture. For this week, it's going to be the picture of the volumetric flask. That's the last part of the lab where you make a sugar water solution. And it has to also in the picture, just write on a piece of paper, at least so I can see it, your name, date, and the lab number or name. Okay? And then when you're ready, you simply click Submit Assignment. That's what you've got going on this week. I hope everyone has a great week. Hopefully we won't get too much snow this week, and I'll talk to you in week 4. Again, I'll fix that number by the time you see this. Thanks, everybody.